today I'm gonna show you what I did to my Lectric XP to make sure I can go off-road without any problem. For the first upgrade, I did put a different flywheel, so when I'm on the road, I can get a higher top speed. This is the flywheel in question. You're gonna upgrade from a 13T to a 11T, 7 speed always. After that, I upgraded the pedal for mountain bike pedals from Amazon. Any can do the work. I just like those. It look nice and they work really nice. After that, I added the suspension seat post. It's a must-have. It's super comfy. And I also switched the seat to more squishy one with a super nice light integrated. I changed the handlebar for some 10-inch BMX handlebar that you can probably find at your local BMX shop or bike shop. This is the most important part. I switched the headset and I've used multiple. I didn't know which headset to use, so I've used multiple and I find this one to work perfectly. You're gonna need spacer for the gap that you can see on screen right now between the stem and the headset. The headset is a really cheap normal one that I ordered from AliExpress, 20 bucks. It's pretty nice though. And the main upgrade is the front fork suspension. I bought it from AliExpress. It's about 150 with shipping and everything. You can get it white or black depending on what color is your bike. There's also a preload adjustment and a softness adjustment. You can just make them super hard if you only want to do road, or make them super soft if you like a small rider or something like that. So here I'm gonna show you some clip of me going off-road. You're gonna see it's pretty badass. I love it. It's a beast. It's really a beast. Oh yeah, it feels good with the suspension. Still doing 40, that's good. Oh yeah, it's so nice. Oh shit, no, it looked bad this way.
I bet we can just go over that thing. Oh yeah, no problem. Oh yeah, out in the open. Which street am I gonna go? I think I need to follow back this one. Oh, this is sandy. This is what fat wheels are for. Let's see how fast I can go in the sand. Yeah, it's clearly not that fast. Sand is hard to roll in. Oh, that's pretty dope. Oh yeah, that's a nice wide ride. Wall ride. Can't speak. Oh, how can I get him back here? Oh, I'm gonna do that again. It's pretty fun. Woohoo! Pretty fucking cool. Don't die. Woo! Let's try in the deep sand. Oh my god, this is also hard. This is hard on a motor too. You want to go but not at the same time. Oh my god. God, I just need to pedal and I'm good. Just the motor. It's a bit too much. Not the ideal condition. Yeah, it's swerving all around. Woo! Still drivable though. I can't wait to try it in the snow this winter. Clearly gonna try it when all the trails are real nice and are done real nice and I can just go on. Yep. Let's just do a little ride in the wood on this thing. That's fucking dangerous. Wow, this place is nice. let's see. I'm not gonna put any weight on my feet. We're about halfway to the charge. If I put some weight.